Dr. Jakaya Mrisho Kikwete, the President of the United Republic of Tanzania, Honorable Bernard Membe, the Minister for Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation, Honorable Hajjat Mwanaidi Majal, the Ambassador of Tanzania in the United States, Ambassador Mbeni Sefue, Honorable Ministers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. President, the scheme that we're just about to launch is a welfare scheme that has been put together by NSSF. It's a scheme that has been put together by NSSF with a very kind assistance from Diakota, whereby for a contribution, a very modest contribution of $300 per annum per person, the insured person is going to enjoy the following benefits. First, the insured person, that is himself and his spouse, whether it is wife or husband, will have access to free Medicare when visiting Tanzania at any time and for whatever reason. Secondly, Mr. President, the insured person will be asked, to name 4 dependents of his choice who are living in Tanzania, who will also enjoy full Medicare for the same level of contribution. And finally, Mr. President, in the event of death, NSSF will be responsible for the transportation of his remains to Tanzania for a decent burial. But also, Mr. President, this will include a free return ticket to the person who is going to escort the body to Tanzania for burial. All those expenses will be met by NSSF. Mr. President, I now have the honor and privilege of requesting Honorable Minister Mbembe to welcome you to officially launch WESTADI, which stands for Welfare Scheme for Tanzanians in Diaspora. Your Excellency, I thank you so much for your kind attention.
It's now my pleasure to welcome the President to touch buttons and witness the
Well, I hope Dr. Da will find time and explain it better. Mimi nimegusa kifungo tu hapa. Lakini nadhani utapata nafasi ya kuelezea vizuri, but let me congratulate them. It's a novel idea. Get to know it better. Take advantage of it. Thank you.